Good morning. Good morning, Dxn. Good morning, Dxn Riyadh. Good morning, Dxn Philippines. Good morning, Dxn Worldwide. This afternoon, I'm going to share with you my Dxn product testimonials. High blood pressure. Way back 2015, at the age of 37, I am already suffering with this high blood pressure. My parents, both mother and father, they are also suffering high blood pressure. Maybe because I got this from inheritance, or there is a cause for this high blood pressure for me. So we will find out what is the cause. Maybe for the inheritance, or maybe for the cholesterol, or some other cause why I have this high blood pressure. So 2015, I have this this all general checkup. I go to vacation in the Philippines, and I took a general checkup. So this is, I found out that my cholesterol is already exceed in the level, so already lapsed to the level. So that's the reason why my blood pressure is not easy to goes down, to control. So the doctor told me that I need to take the medicine maintenance for my blood pressure, and also for my cholesterol. For my blood pressure, this is my medicine maintenance that was before blue press, and for my cholesterol is what's the name, atorvastatin. That was way back 3 years ago. I am taking these two medicine for my blood pressure and for my cholesterol. But then, when I was here in Saudi Arabia, my foot, two legs become fat, because I don't have this medicine, and I am taking the medicine of my patient, Amlor, and that Amlor is not good for me, for my body. So that's the cause that I have that allergy. My two legs become very fat, and I go to the nearest clinic here in where I am working now. So I took there for maybe 10 minutes just to lie down on the bed and check my stomach, if there is pain or something like that. But there's nothing for my stomach, no problem. But they took my blood pressure. It's too high, very high. So that's why they give me this blue press. You know why? In just 10 minutes check up to get my blood pressure, and I paid for the doctor's fee 300 riyals, and this blue press is more than 100 riyals. So I am taking this maintenance for 2.5 years. After that, another vacation, I finish my 2-year contract, then I go to Philippines for vacation. And one of my friend, she is already working, connected with the Dxn international business company. So she introduced with me this Dxn black coffee. She told me that, Lynn, you need to try this black coffee for your high blood pressure. I said, okay. So that time, I'm coming back to here in Riyadh. So I take 2 bags of black coffee from her. Then I come back here in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, and I'm taking that coffee. And before these 2 bags of black coffee finish, I already observe for myself, I observe something changes in my body. Before I always suffering headache. They said because of my eyes there is problem. So that time I go for vacation, I go for the ophthalmologist and buy these eyeglasses for me. And then my body is very fat and I always feel sleepy and I feel heavy with my body every time I move. So because of that high blood pressure, when I almost finished drinking this black coffee, this one, when I'm almost taking these 2 bags of coffee, then I am thinking, oh, there's nice result in drinking this black coffee. So I need to search, I need to continue this black coffee. After that, I tried to search in Google where I can find Dxn products here in Riyadh, in Saudi Arabia. So I tried to search it in Google and I found out a number there. So I phone book that number, and that number now is the number of my upline, Ariful Islam. He is my upline, and I messaged him. I told him that, are you in Dxn, sir? He said yes. I said, would you deliver black coffee for me in my house? He said yes. And then that's the time I drink coffee. Every day I drink coffee. And for that, my friends, I already changed. I already experienced a lot of changes. I lose my weight, and my blood sugar goes not right away normal. Slowly goes down, and then I said to myself, I will stop drinking my maintenance, the blue press. I stopped drinking my maintenance blue press, and then I will do an experiment for me. So I am in the field of medical working. So I am working in the medical field. So I am doing my own experiment. Okay. So I said to myself, I will do 2 weeks experiments for myself. I will stop drinking my maintenance, which is the blue press, for 2 weeks. I will see what is the result. So every morning I check my blood pressure, and in the afternoon I check my blood pressure. Then I do a record. I do a record morning, first week. Then I see first week slowly goes down. Then second week become normal. So that my experiment is good. So that's the time I totally stop drinking my maintenance, which is the blue press, because I am thinking that I need to continue the Dxn product. I am taking Dxn product. I joined Dxn because of my health, not because for business. I joined Dxn for my health. And one thing, my friend, I add this RGGL from my black coffee, and I add this RGGL. This is very good to remove the toxins in our body, and the black coffee for losing weight and for the stress. And you believe me or not, but 2.5 years now I didn't drink my maintenance. So I make less expenses now compared, because I will drink blue press for my blood pressure, and I will drink atorvastatin for my cholesterol. And another thing, but 2 years now, way back 2 years now, I didn't wear now my eyeglasses because I don't need it now. because of the power of this Dxn product with this mushroom powder or the RGGL and the black coffee. This is what our Dxn company, our product makes unique because of this Dxn the Ganoderma mushroom, which is the main ingredients of the Dxn product. So it's not only my blood pressure is solved, also my my cholesterol solved, and for my vision was solved, and I lose my weight, and that's a very good thing for me. So that's the reason why I continue drinking Dxn products until now. So that's all for this afternoon. And to those who have illnesses, who are suffering the same case with me, you can use Dxn product. There's no harm in trying. And for me, I don't want to suffer for a long time having a high blood pressure and all these diseases like what my parents happened. So I don't want to happen it to me. Imagine at the age of 37, it's for me it's too young to have this blood pressure. But alhamdulillah, with the help of this Dxn product, mushroom and black coffee, and now I am totally changed. I totally changed my brand from the old brand to Dxn brand, from toothpaste, shampoo, lotion, coffee, food supplements, juices, hair, beauty care, beauty products, and all this I use it in Dxn. You know what's because every time each product you will be benefited, and each product has equivalent points. So it's very good thing for me, and it's very helpful to me. So that's all. Thank you for watching and listening, and you may leave your message if you have any problems related to health. Maybe I can help you. And thank you so much. Once again, good afternoon, good morning, Dxn. Much love and God bless.